What's up guys, this is Sean from Seanboxing, back again with another video. Today I'm going to introduce to you the latest franchise release from Adidas Ozweego. So you might have heard about it. The first time it was released was back in '96. They've had a number of different series they released and also had a very strong collaboration with Raf Simons. It's still on hype, so a lot of people are demanding it. This one is set to release on the 8th of August, but it was set to be released on the August of 8th because I don't know what happened, but in Korea they just started selling them. The first time I saw these being sold was from Adidas Korea, which explicitly said they will be launching this on the 8th of August, but they just started selling them from 6th of August, which was pretty bizarre. I mean, I don't know why they made that decision to just pre-release their products to kill the hype or whatever, but as soon as that happened, I saw one of the open markets selling them not in the full price, a new product in a discounted price, which was ridiculous. I mean, we obviously like sneakerheads, you know, if we can buy more sneakers with like less price, that's amazing for us. But at the same time, these were like, you know, supposed to be on the hype, but you know, if you start marking down like from the get-go, it's just, I don't know, it feels like Adidas isn't really doing a great job controlling the market, but I don't know, that's their problem. So yeah, that's what happened. And then some more photos I saw of like other retailers like ABC Mart selling them and Les Moore selling them. That was pretty a shock to me. So everyone had this global launch date on the 8th of August, but everyone had their guns like pointed at each other's heads and then just started like releasing them like one by one. It's just crazy.
Do it! Okay. Everybody just calm down.
Count of three, we're all gonna put down our guns.
I have crossbows.
We'll put down our weaponry on the count of three.
Okay.
You ready?
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3.
But yeah, so people are now getting these products at discounted prices. But the one I'm holding right now is a JD exclusive, and JD hasn't yet released it. So I don't know if you guys like the colorway. I personally thought this was a sick colorway, except it's not in the men's sizes. If I were to get an Ozweego, I'd probably go for the triple black ones. But if you're, I don't know, looking for that perfect pair for your girlfriend, your wife, I don't know, your mom, I think these are pretty fire. Kind of reminds me of Yeezy 500, the, what was it, blush. So it's very similar colorway to that, and also the look and feel, like the chunky waves in the shoes kind of resembles the Yeezy 500 silhouette as well. So I think it's going to be a great pair of shoes to gift, you know what I mean? So thank you JD for letting me do the pre-release review on these products. And you guys can also help me by hitting that subscribe button, and I can keep Seanboxing. So without further ado, let's see how the products look. So the box looks pretty regular. On the label it says Ozweego, W meaning women's. The size I got is US 7, and in Korean or Japanese it's 240. The colorway depends on how you interpret it, but the way I find it is probably like trail khaki. So let's go ahead and open this up. And this is the first look of Ozweego JD Exclusive. When I'm seeing it with my bare eyes, this mesh part has the same color as the other parts of the shoes, like the midsole and also the leather parts, but on the screen it kind of looks like the mesh piece has a bit of a pink-esque color going through it. Maybe just a display issue. As I explained, it's got the nice, cool, breathable mesh here, and the lace guards, it's suede. And then in some parts, like the tongue here, is in leather. And this one's got like some cushiony leather as well. Must be very comfortable inside. It's got the nylon patch on the heel. And then the midsole, here it says Adiprene Plus, another Adiprene right here. So the midsole is just as comfy as the Yeezys and very soft, so that should help. And the insole does come off. It's quite sticky right here. Let's get the other pair out. Let's do a height check. What's your guess? I would say probably like 3. Let's see. Ooh, that is very low. All right, we'll press it as hard as I can. Wow, 18 millis or 1.8 centimeters. That's really low. I thought the Jordan 4s would be the lowest, but this one turned out to be the lowest so far. That's interesting, isn't it? I don't know if you're looking for like heights in your shoes, this one maybe not the favorable choice for you. Another interesting piece, a rubber pipe that's going through from the lace guards to the back. 2098 Ozweego Adidas. That's pretty sick. So it's got that retro mixed with some futuristic features. There it is. Let's check out the on-feet review done by my friend. So, tell me about, I don't know.
Oh my god, I'm actually in it.
Yeah.
I thought you were just gonna say it.
Well, I can edit it if you don't like it, but so how do they fit?
I mean, they're massive.
They're massive. Why?
Because you gave me a 5.5 and I'm a 4.5.
It looks nice. You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
I like it because it resembles the Yeezy.
Right. Right. You want to do
But
like
they're
a
super comfy.
walker?